Greetings, 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 everyone. And, thank you for joining us again for the Upper Knife Show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. I'm your girl, Delica Brown Rash, Dragon All Star and the Wheels of Steel. Pick up yourself, Breads, DJ, Rick, Fire, Cube, Mad One, anywhere in the world that you are. We are sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. So make sure that you check out their Instagram page for all their weekly events. We have a special guest in studio, as per usual, on a weekly basis, and he's no stranger to the show. We have to call him family. We have to call the front page boss, Shanti Force family. My G, welcome again.
Yeah.
Well, forward again.
Yeah, man, go on,
And
man.
let me just put the disclaimer out from Noor. Shanti
No,
is
yes,
in
yes,
the
yes,
building.
yes,
Hold
yes,
on,
yes,
man.
yes,
Hold on. Shanti Force is in the building, so no why arguments on the live.
Yeah.
All star. Careful, Careful.
Yeah, me govern, like...
You go on today?
Yeah, govern.
The alcohol level.
Aroma drink and be a thing.
If it get to it, I say it, go.
Wait, say you don't really pay the
nice,
vibe.
Aroma drink, everything all right, yeah.
Cool, no, man. How
That me a
have
talk
you
about.
been, Shanti? It's been a minute
Great,
since you've been here.
Yeah, man.
So you put in some work.
That is it. Just
Yeah.
getting ready for press gas, you know.
Cool, no, man. The last time you were here, it's been it's been a minute. You had things in a schedule. We're not
Yeah.
gonna use a certain word. You had things in a schedule
Yeah.
that was, ready to be executed.
Yeah.
You drop a couple projects.
Yeah.
And you are now getting ready to launch a bigger project.
Yeah.
Talk to us about what you're launching soon.
Yeah, so like
I want you to talk up another talk
my
about
first official like EP, like wholesome project really.
Yeah.
Like the digitally. You hear me? Yeah,
Cool,
since
man.
like the digital times, cause from like CD days, we like used to have like projects, a song and thing. But yeah, first official project, and we just for show a different side, show the variety of music where we have. This like music is like probably like 2 years old now. You see me? That's releasing
the
now.
tracks that are on this
Tracks,
project.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the project?
Judah.
Judah.
Yeah.
Why Judah?
Why Judah?
Cause I'm a Judah, not a Judas.
No, man, that me don't get to like, yo.
Yeah.
That Judah,
Yeah.
yo.
Is there a specific reason why you chose that name for
Yeah.
as a title?
Literally because like I'm a Judah. Like
What does that
I'm
mean?
born, so within the 12 tribes of Israel, July month, a Judah month. You see me?
So means that Judah then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me? If you're born July, yeah, Judah. you
Cause
see
I
me?
don't like the
That's
cancer
lion.
thing, you know.
Cool.
No, that mean a reason.
I don't
to
like the cancer thing.
That mean a reason with Styler
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
today. You see me? I say I'm a Judah.
So
'cause I'm
we are lion.
lion.
All
You see
right.
me? Yeah.
Rebels.
Yeah.
With a cause.
You see me? Leader. You see me?
Leader with you know follow back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because my birth it release on my Earth Strong,
So
which is July the 24th.
24th.
You see me? I'm born one day after His Imperial Majesty Celestia. You see me? So Judah, that's it. The name does end up just be what
that.
it is.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah.
And I mean, you said that the tracks are most of them are 2 years old.
Yeah.
And obviously some of them people would have already been familiar with. Some.
Maybe like hear me like sing them like some
Hear sing them.
places
That's
here
what I'm
and
saying.
there.
Familiar with.
Yeah, what's going on with that new Shanti Force? No, we're not hearing the latter lyrics. We are hearing more a melodically Shanti Force. It's more
it's just
singing.
growth. It's just growth and just like as I say, trying different like things, trying to create songs because I feel like I've proven myself a lot of the time. Say like we can do the whole lyrics thing and but it's just about like trying to find songs. You see me? The song, 2 songs for me where people gravitate to the most are the most basic song for me, like in my opinion. You see me? Which is like Repeat. Machiavelli, you see me?
Right.
So it's 2 like simple songs, the whole heap of space in the song, not no whole heap of technical something. So it's just trying to find that, you see me? One is a slow with like a singing type and one a more hardcore DJing, but it still have the space in the song and the simple.
To insert
you see
more.
Me? Yeah, so I just that
So are we going to be getting that more in the Judah project?
The Judah project, as me say, is like 2 years old song, so it's just like it have variety in there. You have girl song, med song, culture song, party song, vibe song. You see me?
So it's more like, in terms of you say a body of work, you remember like we get Massacre 438
438,
and we look on that and we say, yo, It's not an album where you say, or a project where you say, yo, every song out there is a big song where I bust up red, but it's an album you can meds. And you say,
This is a project for your drive and just listen
repeat.
and just because I feel like I have a lot of music, you know, and a lot of lyrics, but I don't have a lot of official releases out there.
Yeah.
Enough, you get what I'm saying? So I feel
is
like
there a specific reason behind, for that? Because we know, and let's just be frank, let's be honest.
Yeah.
No, let's be honest, let's not be frank.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Shanti, as you say, you're forward and you prove yourself already. Everybody knows it. You can do.
Yeah.
The more you remember, so we always have this conversation with you. There's more that we know that you can execute, but we not really see up.
Yeah, definitely.
Is there something strategical
Like
that you're working with?
I think now, we're more just on the press gas, like song promotion and things that we now get. You get what I'm saying?
So the years of saying, Shanti, we need the promotion. Shanti, we need it to be doing marketing. We're going to be getting that 2023 and beyond.
Yeah, with this whole project, like even just like these press runs and things, we're just doing the releases different now.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? So approach it with that. With
how,
more.
Because before, a lot of people were saying it's a kind of Idonia syndrome.
Yeah.
Yes, we know you have the talent.
Yeah.
We know you can deliver. We know you can perform. The full package is there, but sometimes you're a bit too laid back.
But look, you see, sometimes you don't know what somebody is going through. Look, everybody did say that, but I do. And look,
he was going through
and never bringing burden to the people or to the public. You get
That's
me? So
true.
it's similar things. You get what I'm saying? But we just go through because we are Judah and Lion. You get what I'm saying? I thought so. We just do a thing and just keep it going. Same way.
All right. So the 24th of July is when it will be released. Can people pre-order?
No. It's just gonna release on
the
all
24th.
digital platforms.
Anything? Are you doing anything physically
Yeah, so
live? Talk to us about what's going to be happening.
EP launch on the 24th of July, which is also my Earth Strong. It happens to be a Monday.
Yes.
But this is like a show and exclusive party. So it's not the regular like it's not the all eyes on me type of vibe. It's Judah EP launch, you get what I'm saying? So it's with a bit of class. Venue is in Croydon, Alchemy.
You're coming to sell?
Yeah.
Thank you for
saying?
listening to the people.
For real, because I'm based on the east side, / north side. So a lot of like the people where we correspond with on a day-to-day basis.
And who supports you?
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. The support is like it's growing, and we give thanks for it. So we can't just think like in the box or just stay one place. So we have to venture out and see where the support really is and see if people really willing for support. So the people in the east and north side, if we don't really support
you will forward over.
Go forward over.
And tickets.
Yeah. So for the release party, can the ladies come out and say that playful side of Shanti Force, because most of the time we see the front page, no back row, the fee marshal, no partial. The ladies say them want to see the playful side of Shanti.
Yeah.
But they nobody vex, you know. Yeah. Ladies, come out for that something, you know. It's all about fun.
For real. Like, the problem is a lot of the time we don't get the time for really like showcase for talent pan shows. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a lot of like 1-2 songs.
Yeah.
Bam, 5 minutes. You get what I'm saying? So this is the chance for people to can see what I have to offer, like on a nice like half-hour set. It's live band as well. We have special guests as well. You get what I'm saying?
Dragon All Star is going to forward and play the triangle as well.
Yeah.
Special
No.
Special segment.
I mean, and the girl in my room apart.
All right.
Remember, it's it's a fun, trendy environment. So, I come on, look a bit trendy, but more fun. Me and the girl them,
and tickets can be accessed.
Available on Eventbrite, and the link in my Instagram bio, which is at Shanti Force, ShantiForce. You see me? Yeah.
Cool,
no, man. I'm looking forward to that event. Go ahead.
I realize, in terms of like some new tracks you have out, now they are going a different direction to what a lot of people in the UK been calling for, like. Why is Shanti Force sticking with the old UK formula when you have a new sound in Jamaica where you would be successful, and why you never venture after that market before?
I think it's just like the substance is like, I don't think the substance is necessarily there, like within this style. Like I just me that like I know really my style.
But it's not what you like. It's what the listeners like because.
No, I hear that. So what you talk about, like chopping song?
No, not chopping. Like some of the play pan word. They know like what one a bra and when you drive the Benz them, the Mercy them. What you about some of the thing them would do over here. And we got a party with bra and you know some of them thing there.
But them thing that inna the music. Them thing that inna the music. But it's just that maybe the rhythm them probably different or. You get what I'm saying? I don't know what to say to you about that, to tell you the truth. Because we just do what we do.
Yeah, but no, me hear release a song, not this song, the song before that.
Can't Stop the Blessings?
Yeah.
So you don't feel like them type of music they are going on Jamaica?
Yeah. It's going on, but it's not the prominent dancehall sound at the moment.
So Chronic last song, them a lot of Chronic last
yeah,
song.
But
that type of
Chronic last song them is that type of moment. But I feel like say when your song release, it was coming to we call it the last bit of that. The music was changing a bit, and now the music in a the kind of more hype type of braffing type sing.
Because some are forward up, but that's why I said that song Can't Stop the Blessings is just
it's
the
a good
beginning.
Song.
Exactly. It's just showing a variety of music from it because I haven't released music for a little while.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? So it's just like we release that song there, get it out there because it's needed as well. You get what I'm saying? If you think where the UK is concerned, there is not a lot of artists that have a song like that.
That's true.
You get what I'm saying? So if everybody try to do what the Jamaicans do,
never have the
here,
substance.
there is no niche. Then you get what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but you still I Can't Stop the Blessing that song, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like say on those kind of song,
you
could express what Shanti Force is all about because those type of song you could pack it full of lyrics and metaphor and all these things. So when that song found out, now I say that's it found out before. I think it released a bit late.
Wait, you say no metaphor in that song there.
Me say that metaphor is in it, but that's where you excel in those type of songs.
That's your kind of thing.
Yeah? Where you could pack it full of lyrics, but I think the release date of that song was a bit too late.
Yeah.
If you release it more like we in a Easter, I remember England slow enough make it group of the people.
What you have to understand is music have no expiration date on it. You can put out a song today and it get to next year, 2 years from now.
It depends
you get
on
what I'm saying?
Do with it.
So it's just releasing music and making the music can out there because a lot of people from release the song love the song. You get what I'm saying? And as you see, 1 month after is a bad man song release now. You get what I'm saying? And before the month done, I want girl song I go forward out.
Okay.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
So, and you have an EP with 7 songs with whole heap of different music. You get what I'm saying? So it's just the start. That song there really was just the starter. Something new really for Shanti Force. You get what I'm saying? Like we're just pressing gas right now and just getting the music out there.
So what's the main focus now in terms of promotion? What can we look forward from Shanti Force in terms of getting songs out there in people's face?
As me tell you, we just released Can't Stop the Blessings a month ago. With Blasphemy released last Friday. So those are out right now. 2 videos out right now on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Of the EP releasing 7 tracks
24th of July.
So that's 7 brand new tracks.
Are you working with any second and or third party publishing or release company or somebody who give the song a blast?
No, we just release. We have the DistroKid is where the music distributes. We don't have no other like label other than just with team. You get what I'm saying?
You don't have to be a team, but some of the time realize that other established artists they go out and because we have a lot of people in Jamaica who set up for blast songs. Like we have people on YouTube, we have various different bloggers who get music out there and various different people who do mixtape and them thing there who get music out there. And I feel like that's where the artists in UK are lacking because when you found out with Machiavelli song, I said, Jesus Christ. That song, the wordplay and the concept of the song, it was brilliant. And I feel like that song shoulda make it in a little realms where I don't feel like that song really see true potential.
No, maybe you don't see its true potential. You get me? It do it for do.
But I think that song could do more.
Music. As some look for music, it do it for do. Wherever it for do.
And you think it's reached
it's
where
reach
it
where
to reach?
No, of course
or
it
has
reach
more.
where it need. It has more definitely for reach.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is it's the furthest my song ever reach in the sense of my song past airport long time. You get what I'm saying? Machiavelli past
We
airport.
know that song past
long
airport.
time. Like my song playing the US. My song playing the US. My song playing Jamaica. It's not like
that song even Uptown
hardcore.
Monday.
It's not. It's not a hard. It's not a song we play constant.
Yeah.
But you see, the thing is,
People know
we're
it.
not. Remember, we mind stay. If we don't venture out and go different place, we're not gonna know where go on other place. I went it 3 weeks ago. I saw somebody walk in a Westfield and hear a song I play in a bar in a Westfield.
Yeah.
And the song released nearly 2 years ago.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So the song is constantly growing. The streams is constantly growing. You get what I'm saying? It's just about, as we say, the promotion, same way. But the song get a lot of promotion. You get what I'm saying? The song get a lot of promotion. It's just, as we say, if we not there in a Germany in a one party, we're not gonna know say song I play there. So,
But what I'm talking about, like that song, like I feel like, you know, Charlie Black song Party Animal. I have that song several years before it take wings. I mean, like, I know that song was bad. I feel like say the wordplay on this song and the whole concept of it, because every man where a man and like this that man, we go through that moment where we like a girl or we in love with a girl, but she just fuck a wrong man. I would say, me no bother want your pussy.
Yeah.
Me done with that no matter what you do. We deal with friend, but me no want a sex from you. And I feel like say that song, that only song. As far as when I search my library, me not hear no more song with that word.
No,
You know, that lines together.
Maybe after.
Me not hear no, that song that with a line. Me no bother want your pussy because you done fuck that waste man there already.
Yeah.
As far as me can look for it, and remember, I will a song make. Most of the phrase them and you know the combination them use up already. And me can't find it. So when me look on that song, them I say, yo, that song here was a song where me I say, Ross, maybe the song was before time, you know.
Yeah, for real.
I feel like say it's one of them song there.
No, we still don't finish with Machiavelli, you know. It's just a thing where the music is out there, as we say, and we cannot dwell upon one thing for too long.
You
get what I'm
still have
saying?
to do your
Because look,
promotions
exactly,
and
we
your
still have to just
marketing.
do the promotion, and the promotion can never stop on a song, as we say. But we have to move forward.
And
you get what I'm saying?
forward
Because
the other
sometimes the
talent.
consistency can help break through one eye whole song them or one go through and then it rise back some other song. You get what I'm saying?
Let me answer this. Like, for instance, Machiavelli out there, you know, a lot of DJ software and a lot of studio software nowadays is giving people advantage to like remix song and fly over song in some different way.
Yeah.
If somebody remix Machiavelli, like, unlike, for instance, and already where a popular song is on, but the two song them is talking something similar, and then the Machiavelli take wing, would you consider of like do a rerun on that rhythm if it do get that success what it never had before?
Yeah, why would I not? If it's gonna better the song, why would I not? That makes sense. Like we are on the ground, release on a different rhythm and it pick up on the next rhythm and that them have to run with. Why not?
Me just ask because you have a lot of people stuck in them ways and say, yo,
am I song and this?
Yeah, my song are rare, and I don't feel. I will stick to this. I don't feel like this song done it work yet. Me no feel so.
No, me no say it no do its work yet, you know. It annoy me, you know, but my past that stage they have thinking, oh, the song, me just know say the song do what it do because me can go Leicester Sunday gone and sing Machiavelli and people are sing the song.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Them know it.
People
word for word.
Yes, people can go up here 406 and people know them song. You get what I'm saying? So man have to give thanks for what it do. You get what I'm saying? The Machiavelli, me make a lot of money out of Machiavelli through dubplate. Me do shows, me get different shows, different select. Ricky Platinum as a big selector in the US. DM me, for me song.
Personally.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Tony Mataran play the song, hear the song in the UK. People I said to him, say, yo, this is a song I go on. Him bring it God. America and play it in our party and post it on him page and push it out. The from that alone, me get about 50 selector from America to Jamaica.
That's good.
Where I link me for the song from them time till now. So the promotion does always a grow. You get what I'm saying?
All right. In terms of London, we know Shanti Force always have street creds on the road.
Yeah.
Have you ever anytime feel like you're being a bit too bougie in terms of like, oh, you act and or you carry yourself towards normal people already? Because remember, you're not normal, you know.
No, I don't think so. I'm very humble. Like, I think I'm too humble where it can come across bougie sometimes. You get what I'm saying? Where me just in my shell. Like,
then
get
you're not
me?
responsible for people's interpretation of how you carry yourself, are you?
Yeah, because I'm not necessarily that person that's gonna go out of my way and
Be the center
that.
of attention.
Do you get what I'm saying? That's not me. Even like if you notice, if you're ever in a party and see me when my song I play, me
Quiet
them
as
time
a
them
lamb.
go in on my shell.
Yeah.
And if me hear one of my brother song them
You're
playing
out
on
there.
outside,
Yeah,
you
that's
get what I'm
true.
saying?
I've
That's
seen
just
personally.
me.
That's
You get what
true.
I'm saying? And I just want to treat them that. So people, me always get it. People always say me like look like my unapproachable or rare. Me try to kind of change it.
You
at
know,
times,
it's
you know what I'm saying?
2023. We're
Yeah.
changing things.
Yeah.
And
But-
so, I mean, you said it's a live event, live band settings on the 24th of July over there in South London.
Yeah.
Not everybody going to get to forward out
Yeah.
because it's a Monday.
Monday, I
You don't know.
Yeah, definitely.
First day of the week.
Definitely.
Remember,
here's
me
what-
work my eyeglass, me a forward.
Yeah, we're forward same way.
And the
But
people them
you
who
know
work,
what it is?
yeah.
It is the 6 weeks holiday, so it's just working people who have problem for. But it's an early event. You can.
It's
forward
an
out
early event. We can
by
forward out.
12, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, you go. You
The
find
show
a next
time will
spot.
be the show will be finished by then.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's just one till show time and then party after.
So the people that we can start out them live and now gonna get free reach.
Yeah.
And those on the live, there are quite a number of people on the live now who
Yeah.
may not have seen you perform just yet.
Yeah.
You know we do it upon the open live show. You're not a stranger, Juggernaut Star your time.
Yeah, see, and remember that one we had do it different. Watch your rhythm.
You know the thing go up on the from PSG backward. Something for the girl them. Yeah. Can't believe how your pussy so tight. Yeah. Fuck you this morning, I want to fuck you tonight. See me coulda do this for the rest of my life. Yeah. Listen for my call you when me day outside. When me a pull up. Brawling, yeah, me send it going on you tomorrow. Yeah, me no hurry come up, yeah. Me darling, me see it say your badness, your love. So me rest my gun on your bedside. When me a stab your wall, no tell me take time. If you not have no money, then take mine. Yeah, me love the way you do this something when me a drive. Yeah, you got the glamity, yeah, like glue. Yeah, me love how you something fat and it's tight too. Slippery, shoot my cocky and it slip right through. Want to bring you to the altar, fi say I do. True. Want to show the world right now you want me to fuck to a bedroom, mix on YouTube, me a pull up. Yeah, send it going on you tomorrow, okay, me no hurry come up, yeah. See it say your badness, your love when rest my gun pan your bedside. When me a stab your hole, don't tell me take time. If you not have no money then, oh, you say one more something for the girl them. Hey, yeah, you are. Beautiful as the way you are, girl. You are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, no need that. Natural surgery, you don't need that. Save your money, better keep it for your visa. Fly out, make some different people see you. Talk it as it is, couldn't get realer. I don't mean for some like no preacher, but gym membership cheaper. Plus your little daughter grow. Don't make nobody mislead her. Make sure you teach her. You are. Yeah. Beautiful as the way you are. Girl, you are. Yeah. You are. Joe, Bagaman know you know you DM I look thirsty. You cut up your body head on a turkey. Go on like your good life no worthy. If you're dead, I go bring you gone nursery. Yeah, things gone concerning. Right now, DC young fly earthing. Rest in peace, Jacqueline Smith. Made in the image of God that we serve. You are.
Shanti, them piece of the new thing them. Piece of the new thing them. Watch what go on now.
Alright then, yeah. Tell them say, if I know fi pump blood through my heart now, you smile cup and my pee and the scars now, bros. If God no hear myself, me go and talk to me, no surprise for hear and me dog go and show. Yeah, fuck up. From long time me know people corrupt. True me no tech programming like robot. Me stepping at the streets, my badness turn up. Yeah, with gun and with Bible, you can't stop my blessings. God on good road, pon the eye.
Shanti Force for the ground.
Up on life, them life. blessing from page. Yeah, firm and solid, I can't be broke. Them say, without the fire, you can't see smoke. You woulda never hear me give up and drop your rope. 4 youth me get, for them me have to cool. Protection, G19 close, nobody else for the pen point. Know every man of them there, but fear no I don't want one that's not dead man. Yeah, with God and with Bible, can't stop my blessings. They saying I got with more tempo. But before you change the rhythm, I want to get them on it fresh. So, you see me? Yeah. Loyalty is a thing constantly proven. Mama say careful of the friends when you choosing. Them know when me I go well and me rerouting. In the name of God I rebuke them. Put a lock on my heart so couldn't be broken. Some turn friend according to those them see open. Stable for term I wouldn't see no strength. But me I tell people say me a pray in a peace. In a peace me a pray. Hear the things them talk of kiss me teeth. Look for me 7 days you couldn't see no week. Me a pray in a peace. In a peace me a pray. Blasphemy out right now on all digital platforms, you see me? What we do? Make dopey and money and go. We are the solid in the street and no fraud with fraud, yeah. Future bright but a dark with dark cat girl a Snapchat mission naughty. If me say, God give me the gun, it a blasphemy. Trigger happy so pussy now act digi when me turn the rifle on, yeah the Glock with it. Yeah, me have some enemy, me long to see. Yeah, me long to see. Like how me love to see when girl pretty. Rally my bust up your head with no pity. As your head shoot up your dead. Back up on my tree and I can't it bam up. 3 gun me have and the 3 of them ram up. Yeah, in a head me use my knife and stab you. Pussy where you know about havoc. Tell them, me and my girl alone swinging I amok. Some boy a fish them a rotted add up. Pop up, anytime I gun them pop up. Gunshot with no ass wad up. If me say, God give me the gun it a blasphemy. Trigger happy so pussy now act did you when me turn the rifle on, yeah the Glock with it. Up on light show, we could tell them say, yeah. Up on my cock, them gyal a spread out. Simple things we turn them black in a dead house. 17 at the clip where the Glock a rev out. Talk tough till them see the real shot a step out with their boat. Room, clam. Now for years if gun close, I pattern. Kill people, I passion. Bust them head. If me say, God give me the gun, it
Pause the people the 24th of this month. It's all about Shanti Force album launch. Remember a live band them say over there no wagwan.
That is it. Up on live show, the little brother as Jagger, you know the thing about the whole team. Something new again. I will just give them something with them useful. Alright, you know what the thing go. Watch I know. Who would have known so much dead face could have make me feel alive? Y'all a clean my rifle like me so hype. How me so hype? Freedom it feel so nice. Light sharp, more while me no sleep at night. My hype. We get here the Cali weed a light. It make clear say them fear the tea arrive. From page every other. Oh, this more want you know. And me say no comment. Hey, no comment to no chat too much. The belly of my Glock full up a gal if she have a flat to mop. Me say no comment. No comment to no chat too much. The belly of my Glock full up. Anywhere they done full up. One bag of chatting pan the inside live, but one to them ya full up. When you favor motor, post screen gun like you a shooter. Sorry, my duper, be a winner, yes or no loser. Can't be from page, you know, no lula. One road my farm, now go you with gal, I road my slam. Boy, I make bad comment to him, gal love off my song to ya. Post my pick them, I know my earth strong.
Shanti Force, tell them. Who never rate me style like it, I what now?
Take a bag of play and them a say me boss now. Me a making money long time and no dust now. From my plan, the money tree yet no stop bro. Up alive, them can't hold with a ear ya. Ears and no one see we sharp like razor. The paper, that we are on for straight.
Shanti, war. Hey girl, me no bother want your pussy cause you don't get that bumbo clap.
Hear me I said
see there?
Yesterday 24th of July, Dragon All Star.
Me know the whole of the song them, me know.
Fire phone.
Me know the whole of the song them. Me know the whole of the song them.
Don't believe me, Dragon All Star is going to forward and play the triangle. Shanti Force.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, my general. As per usual,
yeah,
you're
man.
Forward. We have absolutely no comments.
That is it.
No comments whatsoever. The place burn up on the live. People them have to buy. Make sure to buy the tickets, guys.
Yeah,
the 24th of
Eventbrite.
July. We are going to copy and paste the link for everybody who is lazy. I'm doing it right now. See their copy and paste in the comments.
And this is a announcement to all my fellow artists them.
Yes.
All artists invited. You get what I'm saying? Like we are invite a lot of like, you know, like label people, PR,
Right.
industry people,
Yes.
and media people,
Yes.
because we want it documented well.
Definitely.
So it's for UK dancehall. Up and Live show is invited as
We
Up
will
and Live show.
definitely
You get what
be
I'm
there,
saying? We
yeah.
invite all people who contribute towards the UK dancehall movement. You get what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
man, we do it for UK dancehall to the
Man.
fullest.
So Judah forwarding out on the 24th of July. Make sure that you go over to Shanti's Instagram page. Make sure that you follow him on his Instagram and his other social media pages.
Yeah, everything is at Shanti Force.
Man, as well as the YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube is Shanti Force.
Make sure to go over there.
Blasphemy out right now. Can't stop the blessings out right now.
The
Videos
visuals are out. Make sure that you go over, you like, you share, you subscribe, you comment, hit the notification bell. Even on the Up and Live Show YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Make sure to do.
Remember people, the album called Judah.
The
No,
EP.
no album,
We not
The
got all of them,
EP
but-
scene.
Yeah.
The EP. The EP called Judah. It's not Judah scene.
Yeah,
Judah.
Judah, not a Judas.
Yeah.
So go over there and do the writing, because some of the time we can be done, you know.
Yeah.
So you,
the back of the
you know,
class.
back of the class, not a
Yeah.
subject type of thing. So
Yeah.
do the writing, people. And remember, every artist is invited. Remember, you can go out there and get some link,
Yes.
network with some people.
Network.
Remember,
Yeah.
another Shanti Force thing alone, you come support,
Yeah,
you come
definitely.
represent your brand.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So you never know what can happen. You can get signed.
Mm-hmm.
You can meet some people you never know before.
Definitely.
For come support, because we are doing it for UK dancehall.
Definitely.
Fully.
Yeah.
Fully.
Shanti, big up yourself. Looking forward to supporting you on the 24th of July. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you continue to support the Up and Live Show. Remember, this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. And make sure to check out their Instagram pages for all the weekly events. One event we want to give a shout out to Starpoint Entertainment will be having their Grown and Sexy, the official summer soiree this weekend. So make sure that you go over to their Instagram page, get more information, get your tickets, go to and support. All the weekly events are happening. Other parties are happening on the weekend.
Yeah, Style, my cap. Sorry.
Of course, we're
Big
going
up
to
my
plug
bad bro,
Styler.
Style at British Party
On the
this
15th.
Saturday. This Saturday.
It's the 16th.
This
This
Saturday.
Saturday.
This Saturday.
This
This Saturday. This
15th
Saturday. Oh,
of
Jesus
July.
Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, Jesus.
15th of July. 15th of July. Get there. Don't wait till next year. Remember, say last year, a party was on
Bonum.
flames.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was.
So,
it
we
was.
want to roll out from Shirley.
Shirley.
Okay?
Remember,
Yeah.
Style officially have the hot party.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Remember,
Literally.
fire party, you know,
Yeah.
hot party.
Literally.
So,
Yeah.
So make sure that
Roll
you
out.
roll out and you support
Yeah,
that.
man.
Dragon on Star.
I don't know anything of people. Do remember as well, them say Chacha Friday is back.
It
So
is.
look out for that one day as well. You know, Southside active, and artists do remember sending music to all the artists, all the DJs,
Yes.
all the promoters. Try and network with some people, because remember say UK dancehall is not for no one person.
It's for everybody.
All of our own, seeing?
Definitely.
So may I beg on please. Seen?
Push it as a movement.
Definitely.
It's a movement.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. So a lot of people feel like say Ashanti and Style of them owning. For you all our man. You see me? But people, you know what the thing, go love your brother, love your sister, let love her in everything you do. Once a brain poison, mean power. And people also remember,
Titty Tuesday tonight.
don't Titty Tuesday tonight, but don't
in
man.
way you say. If I not get around that Tuesday.
Alright.
Bap.
Remember, drink and rave also.
This weekend in Manchester.
You know, down
Make
in
sure that you go
Manchester.
and support.
People, it's a 2-day event. Remember, it's a
15th.
Saturday and Sunday
Sunday,
thing.
yeah.
So just roll out. Remember, your kids them can come out from early.
Early.
There's a fun day business. Then
Surely,
later on,
Early, whichever
you know, the
one
big
you
people
want.
them out.
Big-
Alright.
Big up yourself. Take care. See you guys next week.
Numbers online, we see. Vamos y